everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Nalini. I'm a child psychology educator and early learning enthusiast. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about introducing books to infants and toddlers. Come, let's get started. So when it comes to introducing books to babies, everybody thinks that how a little baby will understand when we are introducing them to books. And also we might get some comments like how this mother is torturing the little child with the book at a very small age. So these are the comments that we might be getting. But when you understand the importance of reading from early childhood and also the benefits of reading to babies are immense. Reading books to babies should never feel like studying kind of thing, but instead it should be feeling like a mother-baby bonding and father-baby bonding. Reading books to babies have immense benefits right from their cognitive development, from language, and also introducing wide variety of vocabulary to the babies is very helpful. You can introduce any number of books from the babies right from their birth and also from their pregnancy. When you are pregnant, when the baby is in the womb, the baby's brain is developing already and they are listening to the audios that they are receiving from the outside world. So during pregnancy, how you can read books to the babies is you can read aloud a book so that the baby in the womb is listening to it. Once the baby is born, the first 3 months, the visual pathway is still developing. So you can just introduce to them the infant stimulation books. After the baby is completed 3 months, you can introduce to them a wide varieties of board books. Why board books? Board books are made up of thick and sturdy material. The baby will not be able to tear it, or we can independently hand over the book to the baby for the independent reading without having to worry. Whenever we are introducing books to the babies, especially for young children, we expect them to handle the book very roughly. In order to not restrict them from handling the book and also to save the book from the baby, we are using board books. Board books with colorful pictures and very minimal number of words is a very good way to start. The pictures should be very bright and also will be very attractive. For babies from 4 to 6 months, babies will be able to see lot more colors, like very attractive colors, and they will love to watch more things in that. And then you can slowly start introducing interactive books like flip flap books, where the babies will be able to open the flaps and see the surprising element inside, and they will love to have touch and feel books. Touch and feel books have wide varieties of touch and feel sensory explorations inside the book itself. Some pages will have smooth texture and some pages will have rough texture. So depending on that, the babies will be able to touch and feel the texture. This will help them to have a good relationship with the book, and also it helps a lot in their sensory development and cognitive development. You can continue to give them a lot of board books with colorful pictures and very minimal sentences too. There is also something called as cloth books or bath books, which are made of cloth, which is very easy for the baby to handle, to lift, because it is very lightweight. And also young babies tend to put everything in mouth, so even the books, they will tend to put it in their mouth. So with cloth books, it makes the job easier. They can also chew it or whatever they want to do with the cloth books, and we can also wash them. So cloth books are a very good investment, especially when your baby is from 3 to 7 months or 8 months old. Most of the cloth books comes with a crinkle papers inside, which makes a crinkle sound. So whenever the baby squishes it and squeezes it, they will feel the sound, the crinkling sound. That also makes it more interesting for the baby. You have followed a routine with the baby and the books. The babies will tend to have more interest in one particular category of books. Based on that, you can purchase more books. I used to purchase books from Amazon. I will be giving you a link to all the books that we have in the description box below, so that you can check out all the book recommendations from 0 to 1 year. When you are reading to the baby, it is not like you are giving the book to the baby and you are just asking the baby to read. It doesn't work like that. Babies love to read with you and by you, so that what you can do is you can make the baby to sit on your lap and hug them, and then present the book in front of you both, and you can slowly read it aloud to the baby. So, and also you can point out the pictures and explain in your own context. It is not necessary necessary that you have to follow only what is written in the book, but also you can tell a own story out of your own imagination, and also you can point out the tree, animals, butterflies, clouds from the book. So once the baby reaches a particular months, like 7 months or 6 months, the babies will tend to open the pages by themselves. So you can also let them explore, let them open the pages with minimal supervision. Just let them handle the book very effectively. Once we create a habit of reading, once we follow it as a routine, I am very sure that babies will love to read so many books, and also they would prefer books than toys or screen. Wide varieties of board books are available for babies, so please make use of it and find out whether your baby likes it. I am sure that every baby will definitely love books. In case if you feel that your baby is not paying attention to the books, or if you feel that they are not interested in books, it means that you have to change your approach. You might have to do a little bit extra work, that how to baby interested. If it is like monotonous activity where you expect the baby to handle the book themselves and to read by themselves, it won't work out. And also reading books to baby is considered as a very good parent-child bonding time instead of just reading. So always have a loving tone and loving relationship with books and yourself. When you're reading books to baby, choose a time when your baby is very active and you are also in a very good mood, so that you can just enjoy the process. There is no such best time to read. It just depends on you and your child. However, every night while going to bed, if you can form a routine of reading 2 or 3 books, it will be very good, because the baby will know that after reading the book, the baby have to go and sleep. So this will be the initial stage of setting up a routine, especially with infants. You can also give choices to the baby to choose a book. So you can just place 3 or 4 books in front of the baby and ask them to choose which book they want to read. Now they will either point out, or they will look at the book, or they will touch the book. So depending on what they choose, you choose that book and read to them, and then ask them again what book they want to read. So when you give them a sense of choices, will definitely have a great impact in the child, and they will feel that they are given priority, and love it when they have control over something. So choices will get them more interested in books. I hope you find this video helpful. Please let me know in the comment section like what else you want to understand, or what else you want to know about reading books to babies. I will try to make a video on the same. And also don't forget to visit my website www.nalinizinu.com for a lot of other infant play ideas, toddler play ideas, and right brain education, etc. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.